Ever found yourself waiting and waiting and waiting for that paycheck to finally hit your account? The anticipation can be a real drag, right? Especially when you know that money could be working for you sooner. Well, what if I told you there's a simple way to skip the paper checks and get your hard-earned cash directly into your TD bank account, faster and easier than ever before? We're talking about direct deposit. It's a game changer for convenience and peace of mind. No more rushing to the bank during business hours, no more worrying about lost or stolen checks. Your funds are automatically and securely deposited into your account on payday. But how exactly do you get that magical direct deposit form from TD Bank? That's exactly what we're diving into today. Getting your hands on the TD Bank direct deposit form is actually quite straightforward. There are several convenient methods you can use, depending on your preference and what works best for your situation. Let's explore the most common ways. First up, the digital route. In today's world, online access is key, and TD Bank makes it easy to find what you need through their website. Head over to the official TD Bank website. Once you're there, navigate to the Forms or Downloadable Forms section. This is usually found under the Customer Service or Help Center areas. You might need to do a little searching, but look for options related to account services or direct deposit. Once you locate the Forms section, you should be able to find a direct deposit enrollment form specifically for TD Bank. This form will likely be in a PDF format, which you can easily download and print from your computer. Another excellent online option is to log into your TD Bank online banking portal. Once you're logged in, navigate to your account details or profile settings. Sometimes, banks provide pre-filled direct deposit information within this section that you can directly provide to your employer. Alternatively, you might find a link to download the direct deposit form within your account dashboard. Now, let's talk about the in-person approach. If you prefer a more traditional method or have questions you'd like to ask, visiting your local TD Bank branch is always a viable option. Simply walk into any TD Bank branch and speak with a teller or a customer service representative. Let them know you need a direct deposit form. They will be happy to provide you with one and can even answer any questions you might have about filling it out. Finally, don't forget the power of a phone call. You can also contact TD Bank's customer service line. You can usually find their phone number on the TD Bank website or on your account statements. When you call, explain that you need a direct deposit form. They might be able to mail it to you directly or guide you to where you can download it online. Once you have the direct deposit form, the next step is to fill it out accurately. You'll typically need to provide your name, your TD Bank account number, and the bank's routing number. You can usually find your account number on your checks or by logging into your online banking. The TD Bank routing number will also be required, and you can usually find this information on the direct deposit form itself or on the TD Bank website. Double-check all the information before submitting it to your employer's payroll department. Submitting the completed form is usually done through your employer. They will provide you with instructions on how to submit the direct deposit form. This might involve handing it in directly to HR or uploading it through their payroll system. Getting your TD Bank direct deposit set up is a simple process that can save you significant time and hassle in the long run. By choosing the method that best suits your needs, whether it's online, in person, or via phone, you can quickly obtain the necessary form and start enjoying the convenience of having your paychecks deposited directly into your account. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.